Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the fridge or turn off the breaker now. This prevents shocks. Next, remove any shelves that block the light cover because you need clear access. Once done, inspect the light housing. Identify screws versus snap-fit clips so you know whether to use a screwdriver or a gentle pry. Make sure you have a replacement bulb rated for the model and proper wattage before proceeding. Otherwise, stop and get the correct part. Now remove the cover. Use a screwdriver for screws or your fingers for snap clips and hold the cover to prevent it falling. You will remove the bulb next. If it's a twist base, turn counterclockwise. If it's a pull fit, gently wiggle and pull straight out. Inspect the socket and wiring visually. Look for corrosion, loose wires, or melted plastic because that affects function. If you see damage, make a note. You may need a socket replacement or technician help. Install the replacement bulb matching the spec and wattage, then secure the cover and put shelves back in place so nothing rattles. Restore power and test the light. Open and close the door a few times to confirm the door switch activates the lamp. If the light fails, check power at the outlet or breaker, probe the socket for continuity, and press the door switch manually. These steps isolate the fault. If none work, consider replacing the socket or calling a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.